folks, it's me again, KOGW. I'm still here, still trying to produce videos. I'm not very good at it, but anyway, this is the weekly What's New. And honestly, there is absolutely nothing new. I've been working on a house still. Now I'm installing an attic ladder. I'm doing a little bit of electrical work. I gotta put some lights in the attic, and that's about it. My kids are in school. I have to get up at 6 in the morning, and coming here till midnight is not kind of a problem. So it's probably a weekend thing. I do have a couple of videos. I was hoping to get these bikes done this summer, but it looks like it's excuse me. The bikes are not a rush. Like, real life gets in the way, so I just do stuff on this channel. I started the channel during the pandemic, so I had more time then because everything was shut down. But I'm still working. I'm basically waiting for a bucket load. I'm still waiting. It's been a month. Told the guy to take a break. It was too hot. Waiting for an entire bucket load of, powder coated parts to completely redo this front end of this bike or put the other one on. I have to order some. I'm going to be ordering some rubber seals for the back. You probably heard this 50 times if you've watched my weekly What's New. I was supposed to do a welding video tonight, because I'm welding a lawnmower deck. I was going to weld the lawnmower deck and the sandblaster so I can sandblast some parts. And of course, every moment I get free, it rains. Every freaking time. It rains. So I'm cursed. And by the time it stopped raining, it's too late it's almost midnight. And by the time I start welding, get all done, I'll be like 1 o'clock in the morning, wait a half an hour, see if the building's going to burn down, if there's any sparks in here. So, but that's it. I'm just hacking at it and doing stuff. I really want to get the sandblaster done and cut the hole through the wall and do all that stuff. I'm working on my shed next week, during the week. So once the shed's done, I'm pulling one of these bikes out of here, put it in the shed, so I'll have more space to do some work. I think I'm out of tool reviews. I don't have any more tool reviews to do because I haven't really bought any more. I haven't found any flea markets or antique stores around here that have anything exciting. It's like they've the unique old junk tools that I usually buy, all the weird stuff. I don't spend much. Spend like $10 and buy a new tool, throw it in the box. There's there's a drought of fun stuff, and I don't want to go on eBay and just I'll buy this and I'll buy that and do a video on it. It's just unless it's really cool, then I'll buy it on eBay because I want one like this thing that I bought here. It was pretty neat. You just push it. It's a push button wrench. You just push the thing. I thought it was cool. They were selling for $40 and I got one for $7. There's gold ones like this that are. So with that said, there's not much new. I'm probably gonna come here tomorrow night if it doesn't rain again. There's a 70% chance of rain tomorrow. I don't know. Maybe I should do cooking videos next because I'm always cooking stuff. But until then, I probably should work on a gas tank soon. And it's just so many things going on. I got my business, kids, this life. So I'm trying to get some content to you guys. I'm going to do some more. I know I talk a lot in videos. Maybe I should do audio reviews or something. But with that said, I appreciate all the people that watch the channel. I had a lot of new people watching the channel. I still don't have enough watch hours to get monetized. I have enough viewers. Maybe I'll get one video goes viral. Who knows? I don't think so. I don't have viral content unless my garage explodes. So, which I hope doesn't, because I don't know. It's a pain in the ass. But thanks for watching, Toodles. If you have another channel and you like my stuff, just give me a shout out. Help me out. And to all the people I know on YouTube, I hope you're all doing good. Thanks for watching. And that's it for this video. Not much new.